mistakes women make that push men away. No one sets out to sabotage their relationship. Most of us have only the best intentions. We think about it, maybe even obsess over it. We put our heart on the line, we invest ourselves. Since our intentions are pure, it seems like we should get a positive outcome, but this isn't always the case. With that, let's dive in and look at the most common and disastrous mistakes women make that push men away. 1. Chasing after him. The vast majority of the time, if a guy likes you, he will let you know. There won't be any mixed messages or hidden clues to decipher. If he likes you, he will make it known and he will ask you out. Your only job is to show enough interest to let him know he won't be shot down. 2. Being self-obsessed. Relationships typically fall apart when your focus stops being on the person you're with and starts shifting to you. When you focus on your own wants, your own worries, your own fears, your own needs, and pay no attention to how your guy feels and experiences things, you essentially turn him into an object who is a means to an end. The reason a lot of women can't keep a guy's interest beyond a few dates is that she gets so fixated on achieving some sort of relationship goal, like being official, and on figuring out how he feels. When you do this, you aren't connecting with him as a person, you are using him as a means to feel good about yourself and worthy of love, and that is not the pathway towards a meaningful connection. The me-centered mindset can cause problems no matter what stage of a relationship you're in, whether you're casually dating or seriously committed. 3. Being entitled. One of the biggest turn-offs to a man is a woman who acts entitled and just expects him to do things. Now, men do love a woman with high standards, but they still want to be appreciated for things. They don't want a woman who just expects him to do certain things and be a certain way. Appreciation is the key that unlocks a man's heart. Every man needs it in a relationship in order to truly commit. A woman who acts entitled and ungrateful is probably the most unattractive woman in a man's eyes. 4. Being too needy. Usually, when people talk about neediness, they talk about a set of behaviors: calling too much, being too available, getting jealous, wanting all of his time and attention, etc. It's a mindset, and from that mindset, certain behaviors can manifest. Some examples include constantly needing reassurance that he still cares, panicking if he doesn't call or text back right away, getting jealous if he spends time with anyone else, making him the sole center of your universe, obsessing over him, feeling terrified he'll leave you, and so forth. Neediness usually comes from an emptiness within that we believe somebody else can fill for us. We may come to believe that some other person can give us something emotionally that we can't give ourselves, a feeling of being okay, of being worthy of love, of feeling good about ourselves. The problem is someone else can't give us those things, they come from within. 5. Stressing over the relationship. You can't force someone to love you or reciprocate certain feelings. If he's not into you right now, then just let it go. Don't stress over where it all went wrong or what you should have done differently. Focus on yourself. Focus on being a better version of yourself. Focus on being happy and complete. This is what really captures a man's attention. In the beginning, you might think that as soon as he commits, everything will be great and you'll feel secure, but it rarely works like that. Instead, you'll worry about when he's going to say he loves you, when you'll move in together, get engaged, get married, and when you're married you'll worry if he still loves you, if he's still attracted to you, if he'll cheat. There will always be something. 6. Committing too soon. Acting like you're in a relationship will not get you a relationship. He'll start pulling away even more. Yes, it can be difficult to keep your options open when you find a guy who shines so much brighter than the rest, but you cannot act like his girlfriend until you are his girlfriend. It's not that guys are anti-monogamy or don't want to commit, it just isn't a man's natural inclination to want to be tied down. A man will only commit himself to a woman if he is inspired to and if it has a benefit to him. If he is getting all the benefits of having a girlfriend without the obligations that come with being in a relationship, then why in the world would he change that situation? 7. Being negative. One of the biggest driving needs for a man when it comes to relationships is being able to make a woman happy. If he feels that he can't, he won't want to be with her. No man wants to serve as his woman's emotional dumping ground. It just adds more stress to his life, and men are very drama-averse. Also, there is nothing lovable about someone who is demanding, nagging, sarcastic, bitter, frustrated, or angry. That's not to say he'll stop loving you when you're like this. Love doesn't turn on and off like a light switch, but it will be harder for him to act loving towards you when you come at him from this negative place. If you want to have an amazing relationship, then bring an amazing, positive energy into your relationship. That is what will make all the difference.